Here's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home in a convenient location with a lot of nice updates throughout and a brand new detached garage. Really excited to show you around, and I think it's time to take a tour. What a great property. And if you'd like more information or would like to set up a private tour of this property, click the link in the description or reach out to one of us here at Team Montgomery. We'd be happy to help you out. This has been Tyler Montgomery with Team Montgomery and 218 Real Estate. Take care.